Today we're packaging meal kits with the organization Meals for the Heartland. We are hoping to package 20,000 meals today. We have volunteers from our Coralville location and our Kalona location working together. We're hoping we have about 90 employees that will be participating in the event today. What we're packaging today are a soy-based meal kit, and soybeans grown here locally in Iowa, so that's pretty neat. And so the team are taking our raw ingredients, they're mixing them, they're sealing them in bags, and they're boxing them up. And then this organization, Meals from the Heartland, will go and distribute these meals locally, across the country, and then globally as well.
These meals specifically are part of our International Children's Feeding Program. We're feeding about 300,000 kids worldwide. That number keeps growing. Next year it's probably going to be closer to 500,000 kids we're trying to provide a school lunch for. These kids are showing up to school for that one guaranteed meal of the day. As a byproduct, they're going to get an education, but we're teaching them how to be farmers, how to raise chickens, how to do micro businesses. The goal is they're going to be more productive citizens of the world. It's the hand up approach, not just the hand out. When you serve someone else, you're helping at least two people. The person who's going to receive the meal, and then you're also helping yourself. People who volunteer are just known to lead happier, healthier lives. This is team building at its best.
I've always felt that it is important to be active and involved in your communities, especially in rural Iowa. It's the way we keep our communities thriving, and it's important to be involved in different organizations and support others. So being able to bring this to CIVCO has been important to me as the leader of the company, and really feel like our team has embraced it. Honestly, your employees that are more involved in your community are also better employees, and they work well. You can see that they work better together.